Hi everybody, David Lewis here, and today I want to share with you one of the main reasons why salespeople fail to reach their goals. And that reason is poor follow-up discipline. Most salespeople quit after one or two attempts to follow up with the customer that did not make a purchase while at the dealership. Maybe they sent an email, a text message, a phone call, or a combination of all three. Keep in mind that most people are not receiving emails, or they don't reply to them timely. Text messages are great because they have to read them. Doesn't mean they're going to reply to them. And even better if you can get them on the phone, but most people today are not answering their phones. So you have to do a combination of all three, and you can't give up after one or two events. Most salespeople fail to send a video after the customer leaves the dealership. When a customer leaves, send them a quick video of the vehicle saying, hey, this is the vehicle you looked at. I just wanted to give you something to look back at and compare during your shopping process. Keep in mind, the salespeople that sell 15, 20, 25 cars per month, they are the ones that have a disciplined follow-up process and never, ever give up. Good luck, everyone.